Welcome to the fifth and final episode of this grand Nile cruise journey from Luxor to Cairo. For those of you who have not yet watched the previous episodes, you can find the links in the description. Hope you enjoy this video.
So guys, it's time to take you down to the engine room of this boat and once again an experience to take you backstage. It's now time to visit the Captain Bridge and give you a bird's eye view from the bridge, what he sees around as he navigates. So here we have Captain Rashad.
Hello.
Here I have with me the front office manager of this boat, Mr. Kyrillos.
Welcome, sir.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you, and I hope you are good with us. A nice video, and I would like to see everybody come to MS Darakum boat here. You have to enjoy everything is all right here.
Thank
have
you.
a lovely holiday. Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
You're welcome, sir.
Time to relax at the lounge with some afternoon tea or coffee.
So here I have Mr. Tiziano from Italy with me. He's one of the guests on board the Movenpick Darakum. Let's check with him how he's enjoying the cruise and his feedback so far.
Okay. Hello everyone, here from Movenpick Darakum in the Nile, a special and amazing cruise. And yes, everything is good. A very good place for relax, rest and see this amazing place. In this cruise it's very good the dining option. For example, every day the chef prepare several dishes from Egypt or Mexican or Italian with amazing food. And of course the staff is amazing, always take care of you, and this was a very special trip and an amazing experience here in Egypt and with this Movenpick Darakum boat.
So that was the feedback of Mr. Tiziano. And one of the things I also definitely agree with him, besides of course all the other points, is the food. I mean the cuisine is amazing. Every day you have a variety, so you're not like bored with one type of food every day. So this is something very different out here, and I must say it's a grand experience to be on this Movenpick Darakum Nile cruise. And once again, if you'd like to experience such great experiences, do contact me. My details are in the description. It's 6:30 p.m. and the weather is beautiful. It's almost sunset and we are sailing very slowly to Beni Suef. So we'll be arriving Beni Suef in the next 1.5 hours or so. The boat will be docked overnight in Beni Suef. So after dinner we'll be also doing a short walking tour along the Nile, the Corniche area of Beni Suef. And tomorrow morning finally we'll be arriving Cairo around noon time. So the ambience is so good. You can come out here when there's nothing to do, relax on the top deck, enjoy the weather, the greenery around the Nile. It's simply amazing.
So we are now arriving in Beni Suef. A variety of salads.
هذا شوية خل حتى بالكسوة اللي على فوق اغسلها وحطها من بالليل الصبح ماشي؟ ها؟
So here's the main course, couscous. This is Moroccan meat tagine, Moroccan sefa, chicken confit lemon, sorted vegetables, and Moroccan potato tagine. And here we have some delicious roasted lamb leg. This is the mint sauce which goes with the lamb. As daily, we have a variety of desserts and fruits. So we have just begun our walking tour here in Beni Suef. So I'm here now in the Corniche of Beni Suef. It's a pretty nice area to walk. The weather is really good. It's nice and cool and breezy. You see a lot of the Egyptian local people out here as couples or as families with children as well, who come here in the evening to relax, to enjoy the fresh air besides the Nile River and to have a good time. Movenpick Darakum. So we're back on the boat and it's time for a good night, and I'll see you tomorrow morning. A very good morning. It's 7 a.m. and we are already sailing to Cairo. We started sailing just about 1 hour back, and it's going to take us another 5 hours. So by noontime we'll be in Cairo. It's a wonderful morning, nice cool breeze, and the sun has just risen just about I think about 30 minutes back. So well, yes, it's time for breakfast shortly, and then time for some relaxation, packing, and then we'll be disembarking the boat at around noontime.
just sailing towards Cairo now. We should be there in the next 1.5 hours or so. So guys, that brings us to the end of this wonderful journey on board the Movenpick Darakum Nile cruise. It's been a fantastic journey, 6 nights and 7 days, covering the best of the best. And what more can I say about the service on board? The staff, very hardworking, very passionate, friendly. They really take care of you. The cuisine, amazing. Every day something different. We had Egyptian, we had Mexican, Italian, Indian, Moroccan. There's so many varieties every day. The barbecue dinners, and of course the services on board are really good as well. The places we visited, the different the temples, the tombs, the entertainment on board. There's so much to do, and then when in the evening time you have nothing to do, you can come here on the sun deck, relax, enjoy the scenes on the Nile. It's so green on both the sides. You see all these local villages, the families, the children waving out. It's simply awesome. And for those of you who are new to this episode or who have not seen the previous episodes, all the episodes are in the description. Do take your time to go through it, and feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description. If you have any questions, or if you would like to know more about this product, if you would like to book this as well, rest assured I'll offer you the best package prices, and hope to see you soon on board Movenpick Darakum Nile cruise.
I see now that you are happy with this sailing through history. Everyone should try it. Come and visit us, come and do it. Yeah.
Yes guys, and well, if you'd like to see other destination videos and documentaries, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned to the next one. So after a fantastic 6 nights cruise from Luxor, we are now arriving Cairo, and we'll be disembarking shortly. So here I have on the top deck with me the entire crew of the Movenpick Darakum Nile cruise, right from the housekeeping to the waiters, the chefs, from the engineering, the captain crew and the management. So I'd like to sincerely thank all of them for the wonderful time I had here on this cruise, and thank you very much guys.
Welcome.